Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E13 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications from the top, extend the list and locate a toggle called battery saver, which remains on the first page right here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It gives you a pop-up, so turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity and delays notifications. So we're just gonna select turn on and there we go, that's it. As you can see, the outline of the battery turns red and that's all you need to do. Now once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to go back to normal so you can receive your notifications normally on time, then find the toggle once again, tap on it and this will turn it off. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and thanks for watching.